Guys, Ashish this side. So Canada is one of the most preferred destination for higher education, and lot of students prefer going to Canada for their education. So in this video I'm going to talk about the top 10 universities of Canada, why you can prefer them, some brief details about them, and why you can go to Canada for your study abroad destination. So let's get started. Now first thing that comes is why Canada. So Canada is one of the most sought after countries for studying among international students with its immigration friendly policies, post study opportunities. It has great reputation in the world and there are numerous best universities in Canada. Canada is also ranked by World Health Organization as one of the best countries to live in the world. So this all makes Canada a preferred destination for your international education. Now let's see which are the top universities of Canada. So on number 1, it is University of Toronto, which is ranked 25 in the world, number 25. So University of Toronto is one of the top public universities in Toronto, Canada. It is ranked 25 in QS World Global Rankings 2021. Founded in 1827, the University of Toronto has evolved into Canada's leading institution of learning, discovery and knowledge creation. More than 5,60,000 students have graduated from University of Toronto. Now next is University of McGill University. This is wrongly written. It is McGill University, ranked 31 in the world. Based in Montreal, McGill University ranked among Canada's most prestigious universities, attracting thousands of international students from 150 countries every year, and the highest percentage of PhD students of any Canadian research university. McGill University owes its reputation to its 50 research centers and institutes, 400 plus programs, rich history and thriving alumni network of 250,000 people around the world. Number 3 is University of British Columbia, which is ranked 45 in the world. University of British Columbia is one of the top public universities in Vancouver, Canada. The University of British Columbia has an excellent reputation with academics and employers alike and a particularly international faculty. With beautiful green campuses in Vancouver and Okanagan, the University of British Columbia is home to a concert hall, the working farm, and Olympic ice hockey venue, Canada's largest blue whale skeleton. So all in all, it's a huge university for you to go study and explore. Next is University of Montreal, which is ranked 118 in the world. Université de Montréal, it's in French. So University of Montreal is one of the top public universities in Montreal, Canada, deeply rooted in Montreal and dedicated to its international mission. University of Montreal is a leading research university with its affiliation school. So it has 2 more schools, which is Polytechnic Montreal for engineering and HEC Montreal for business. This is also HEC Montreal is also one of the top MBA colleges in the world. So University of Montreal is one of the largest university complexes in North America. Next, so University of Montreal, in continuation to that, attracts over 500 million in research funding every year, making it one of the 3 foremost university research hubs in Canada. Right now, University of Alberta, which is ranked 119 in the world. University of Alberta is one of the top public universities in Edmonton, Canada. It is ranked 119. The University of Alberta is one of the Canada's top universities and among the world's leading public research intensive universities with a reputation for excellence across humanities, sciences, creative arts, business, engineering and health sciences. Home to world leading facilities such as Canada's National Institute for Nanotechnology and Li Ka-shing Institute of Virology. The University of Alberta attracts the best and brightest mind from around the globe. Next is McMaster University, which is ranked 144 in the world. McMaster University is also one of the top public university based in Hamilton, Canada. It's a 129-year-old university with students and faculties from 98 countries worldwide. This university is one of the Canadian host site. Now this is important, this Canadian host site of a United Nations university, the Institute of Water, Environment and Health, UNINWEH, and are committed to creating a brighter world by advancing human and societal health and well-being. Now next is University of Waterloo, which is ranked 166 in the world. University of Waterloo is one of the top public universities in Waterloo, Canada. It is ranked 166 in the heart of Waterloo region at the forefront of innovation. The University of Waterloo is home to world-changing research and inspired teaching. From quantum computing to nanotechnology to clinical psychology, engineering and health sciences research, ideas that can change the world are at the heart of who the university is. The University of Waterloo has been ranked Canada's most innovative university for the past 25 years. So this is important, most innovative university of Canada. Next is Western University, which is ranked 203 in the world. Western University is also one of the top public universities based in London, Canada. So London is also one of the regions of Canada. So Western University ranks as one of the Canada's top research universities. From the fundamental to applied knowledge, Western discoveries benefit economic, social, health and cultural development in Canada and around the world. The university attracts students from broad worldview seeking to study, engage and lead in international communities. Students from 117 countries share in classroom experience and engage in study-based research and volunteer opportunities to broaden perspective and knowledge. Next is Queen's University, which is ranked 246 in the world. So Queen's University is at Kingston. Queen's is one of the Canada's oldest degree granting universities and a contemporary hub of academic research in Kingston, Canada. It is also home of 2015 Nobel Prize winner Dr. Arthur B. MacDonald. The university is among the top medical doctoral universities in Canada. Its university and faculty-based research centers provide dynamic, collaborative setting from scholars. Queen's research lead the way in numerous fields, making notable advances researches recently in particle astrophysics, cancer research, art conservation, geotechnical engineering, biodiversity and clean energy technology. So a lot of things to explore and to study. And the last university in this list is University of Calgary, which is ranked 246. So far you must have noticed that the top 10 universities of Canada are ranked under 250 in the world. University of Calgary is also one of the top public university based in Calgary, Canada. The University of Calgary is Canada's leading next generation university. The university has a clear strategic direction to become one of the Canada's top 5 research universities grounded in innovative learning and teaching and fully integrated with the community of Calgary. So these were the top 10 universities of Canada from my end. Do let me know in the comment section your views about it. This channel has a lot of more other videos on study abroad for you to explore and to know more about. I understand that after this you may have few queries about Canada or on study abroad. So don't worry, I have put in the details in description on how you can contact us for your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe. I'll see you in some other video. Till then, stay connected. Thank you so much for watching this video.